Good morning, students. We have already completed exercise 5C in the previous class where we have learned about how to find the AP, and we also learned about that if the condition is given in the question, how we will find the A, first term and common difference D. So today what we will be doing, we will trying to find the sum of the series. Okay, so summation first. Our topic is sum of n series. Sum of n series formula is here is n is n is equal to n by 2, then we have a plus l. Okay, so this is the first formula we have here. Is n is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So this is the first. Second one you can write like this: is n is equal to n by 2, then here twice of what it will be. Here we have 2 into a, or twice of a plus n minus 1 d, then close the bracket. Now question arises when we are going to use this formula. So when we will use this formula, when the last term is known, is L. Okay, let us understand the meaning. Sn means the sum of the series. Okay, sum of the series till n terms. Then n is what? Number of term. A will be first term, L last term. So when last term is known, you will use this formula. Okay, when Sn here also sum of the series till n term, and n is the number of term. A is what? Here we have what? A is equal to first term. Okay, n number of term. D common difference. So when the common difference will be known, we will be using this formula. Okay, so these two formula will be used for exercise. We have exercise 5 today, 5D. Okay, so we are going to, I will write down these two formula here. First one is Sn is equal to n by 2, Sn sum is equal to a plus x. Second one we have Sn is equal to n by 2, then bracket 2a plus n minus 1, then into d. Okay, so both the formula I have written here. Now let us start with the exercise. Exercise 5D. Exercise 5D. Question number 1. Find the sum of indicated number of terms of each of the following. We have APs. Okay, first one we have here 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, then minus 7, dot till n terms. So this is our first AP, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, n. So you know the first term. How will you find out the first term? A1, you already know. A1 will be what? 5 or A, right? Then what? A2 will be what? 2. You can easily find out the common difference, or D. So it will be what? A2 minus A1, or A2 minus A. It will be 2 minus 5. It will be how much? We will be obtaining here minus 3. Now next is that last term. Yes, last term, n term is already given here. N will be till n term. Now what we have the formula here? Formula for summation, we need to find the sum of the series. So formula, you know that Sn is equal to, I will use the second formula, okay, because difference we can easily find out. So Sn will be what? n by 2, then here for bracket 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, then close the bracket. Put the value. Sn will be what? N will be n, because till n term. Okay, so n is the, so here 2 will be 2, n is the last term right here. So n will remain n2, we will write 2. A, what you will write? A 5, so 2 into 5 plus n minus 1, so n minus 1 remains same. D, we are getting what? Minus 3. Next will be n by 2, then 5 2s are 10. Now multiply plus into plus into minus, it will be minus 3 into n will be 3n. Then here plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, then we will get 3. Next step, what we will be getting? N by 2. Then here 10 plus 3. Yes, we are getting plus. So 10 plus 3, we have 13 minus 3n. So this will be our answer for first question number. Question number 1, subdivision 1, we have got the answer. What we are getting? N by 2, 13 minus 3n. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. Let us move to subdivision 2. So question number 1, subdivision 2, we are having here minus 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 2, dot 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 till 81 terms. So now same way we will do this question also, yet till 81 terms. So A1 or A, you know it will be minus 1. A2, yes, A2 we have half. Okay, A1 or A will write. Let us find. Last term we write with what? N, yes or no? N. So this is total 81 terms. So we'll write 81. Now let us find difference. So it will be A2 minus A or A1. It will be what? Half minus half is here or 4? It's 4, right? We write 1 by, yes, 1 by 4. Okay, it's 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 4. So we will use this 1 by 4 minus A2. So 1 by 4 minus half. See how much you are getting. 1 by 4 will be 1 by 4. Minus into minus plus 1. See how much LCM. Take the LCM. We will get 4. We'll have 1. So 1 we have 4. So we are getting 5 by 4 here. So common difference we have obtained what? 5 by 4. Next, we have to use that formula Sn summation. You remember this formula? Yes, n by 2. Then what? We have 2a plus summation is always this formula, n minus 1. Then d. For summation, we will always use this formula. Okay. So Sn. But when L is given, we can use the first formula. This Sn is equal to n by 2a plus L. So let us put the value n how much? 81. We will write here 81 by 2. 2 will remain 2. A how much? We are getting here A minus 1. So we will use here minus 1. Plus will be plus n minus 1. N minus 1. So n minus 1 will be what? N is 81. So 81 minus 1. D we are getting 5 by 2. So it will be 5 by 2. Close the bracket. Let us simplify. 81 by 2 will be same. 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 plus 80 into what? 81 minus 1, 80. Then 5 by 2. Close the bracket. What we can cancel from here? 2 we will get here 40, right? Next 81 by 2. What we will get here? Minus 2 will be minus 2. 40 into 5. So we will get how much? 200 we are getting here. Okay. Next step we can write like this. 81 by 2. This one we are writing same. Now 200 minus 2 we have got here 198. Yes, 198. Let us cancel 2. You will cancel. So you will get 2 9 18. 1 and 8. So it will be how much? We will get here 1 and 8 again. It will be 2 9 18. 99. So 81 into 99. So 9 72. So we got this. Here 9 7 to 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. So 7 plus 2 9 1 10. We have that 7 1 8. We are getting this 8019 answer. Okay, for this question, question number 2, we got what? 3969 is the answer given in the book. Okay, so we will be seeing this question again. Okay, what is the answer in the book? It's different. Eighty. So clear. 5 by 2. We have got this. So 3. Okay. So now here we will see that when we are cancelling, what we are getting? 80 is here. So 2 4 8 0 will be 0. So we have obtained this 40. Then what? 40 by we have that 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay, so we will try to correct it. Here difference is what? Here difference is we have difference we have the 4 here. Okay, so this will be also 4. Now when you will cancel, what will be obtaining here? 80 is 80, 4, so we got here 20. Let us multiply 20 into 5, we will get 100, right? Minus 2 plus 100. Then see how much we are getting in next step. Next step it will be 100 minus 2, how much? 81 by 2 will remain same. 100 minus 2, we have the 98. 2, when you will cancel, you will get 2 for the 8, then 2 9 the 80. Multiply this 41, then what? 81, then 40 and 49. So we will get 9, we will get 4, 9, 8 9 just 72. 72 will be here 2, 8 for the 32. 32 plus 7 will be what? 39. So we got 9, we got here 4, 6, 9, then 3. We are getting what answer here? 3969. So I hope you are clear with this. We have just corrected 5 by 4 is the difference. Okay, so that will be your answer here, 3969. Let us move to next question now. I hope you are clear with question number 1 and question number 2 from subdivision 1, subdivision 2 from question number 1. Let us move to question number 2. Before that, you will write down your homework. Your homework will be what? Question number 1, subdivision 3. Okay, you will try this by yourself, similar method. Okay, you have to use the same formula. Now let us move to question number 2. We have here what? We have the till question 5. So let us try one more question from here. Number 5 we will try from 1 5. We have what? X plus y, then x minus y, then x minus 3y, x plus y, x minus y, x minus 3y, then we have total term is here 22 terms. Let us see what we are getting. So a1 on a we have x plus y, a2 we have what? X minus y, then a need what? Total term is 22. Then if find the difference, it will be second term a2 minus a or a1, so it will be x minus y, then minus sign x plus y. What we are getting here, see, x minus y, minus into plus, we will get minus x, then minus into plus, again here minus, we got y. So x minus x cancel, we got here what? Minus 2y, we are obtaining differences. Okay, minus 2y is the difference. Now let us find the sum. We will have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, then what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d, close the bracket. Then Sn will be Sn n, we have 22, we write 22 by 2, then 2 will be 2a, we have what? X plus y, so we write x plus y, then plus will be written plus, n is what? N we have here n 22, so 22 minus 1, then d we have what? We have minus 2y, then c here cancel, you will get the 11, so we got 11, 2 into x, it will be how much? 2x, 2 into y will be 2x plus 2 into y will be 2y, 20, right? Let us write here only. So plus 22 minus 1 will be 20 into minus 2y will be, I will write minus 2y. Okay, let us see how much we are getting. So next 11 will be 11, we will get here 2x will remain 2x plus 2y will be 2y must be plus into minus, minus 20 into 2 we got 40y. Next 11 will be 11, then 2x, 2y, 40y. So we will write here what? We can just write here 2x will be 2x plus 40 minus 2 will be what? 40 minus 2 we will write minus 38, then we have the here y. Yes, so we are obtaining this for question number 22. Then we have what? X minus question number 5. Okay, so 22, 20, so 38. Here we have what? Here we are having 2x, 2 into x plus y, so 2x, 2y, 22, then so what we can take common from here? Yes, just take the common. So 2 you can take common. So when you will take 2 common, we will be getting what? Before that, I will try to see here. Okay, we will check here. We have we have done little bit of mistake, so we will try to 22 minus 1. It will be what? 21. 22 minus it will be 21. So 11 will be 11. Then we have 2x. Then what we will get here? Plus 2y. Then here plus into minus 21 into 2. We will have how much? It will be 42. Then what? 42y. Close the bracket. 11 will be 11. 2x will be 2x. 42 minus 2 will be what? Minus 40y. Then next, close the bracket. We have, when we will take common 2 from here, and so 11 into what? 2. You will have x. You will have here x minus 20, right? 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 20, 40. Then y, you will write here y. Now 11 into 2, we will get 22. We have x minus 20 y. So this is our answer for question number 5. Okay, so now we let us move to question number 2. Question number 2. Other question will be your homework. I have done 3 questions, 1, 2 and number 5. So remaining question you will try similarly. Let us move to question number 2. What we have in question number 2? We have what? 2 out of L, A, N, D and Sn. And Sn determine that ones determine the ones that are missing. So if anything is missing, we have to find it out. Okay, so let us see question. Here we have 1. Then what is the question 1? Then we have what? Here if you see, L is given. L has been given 8. Next we have what? N has been given 8. Then S8 we are given minus 20. So what is not given? Yes, which value is not given? Obviously A is not given here. If you see, A is not given. So let us try to find it. For this we will try to find the value of A. So A will be what? Here you know that when we have the value Sn is given by what? Sn is given by N by 2. Then we will L is given, so we will use that L formula, first one, N by 2 A plus L. So S8 is minus, so let us write the formula for S8. So S8 will be here, S8. Then N will be also 8 by 2. Then what? A plus L. So A will remain A. L we have that 8. S8 value has been given minus 20. Write down here minus 22. This one if you will cancel, you will get 4. So we got here 4. Then we have A plus 8. Now next. Here this is into. So if you take other side, it will divide. So minus 20 by 4 is equal to A plus 8. Cancel, we will get what? 4 5 are 20. So we got minus 5 equal to A plus 8. Take 5 that side and 8. I will just bring this 8 this side. So it will be what? Minus 5. The A will come this side. So it will be minus 8 equal to A. Or finally we are getting what? A is equal to minus 5 plus minus 8. 8 plus 5. 13, right? So minus 13. We have got here A is equal to minus 13. Next thing is what? We have to find A. We need to find D. Okay, D we need to find. So let us try to find the D. So for D we will use the second formula. We know that Sn is equal to N by 2. Then what? 2A plus N minus 1. Then D. Close the bracket. Sn we will use that is 8 or directly minus 20, right? n by 2, so n is how much? 8. We will write 8 by 2. 8 by 2. Then 2, a is what? 13, right? Minus 13, minus 30. Okay, a we got here minus 30 plus n minus 1, so it will be 8 minus 1. Then what? D, we'll be writing D. Now see how much we are getting. Minus 20 cancel here, so you'll get what? 2 4 is 8, we got here 4. 13 into 2, it will be what? 26, but minus sign we'll write minus 26. 8 minus 1, we will have what? 7, then D. Next 4 is multiplying here, if we will bring other side, it will divide. So minus 20 dividing 4, it will be what? Minus 26 plus 7D. Next what we will have, when we will cancel, we will have 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So we got here what? Minus 5 equal minus 26 plus 7D. Now 26 will be coming this side. So it will be what? Minus 5, then minus 26 will be this side. So it will be plus 26 equal to 7D. So next will be what? You will get what? Here 21 is equal to 7D. 26 minus 5 will be 21. Next what? We can write 21 by 7 is into here. We will bring this side, divide. So 7D. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So therefore we got D is what? D we are getting. Yes, D we are getting what? 3, right? D we have obtained it here 3. Clear? So D we are getting 3. So A, hence A we got already. A how much? 13. And D we are obtaining what? D we are obtaining 3. So this 2 is our answer. I hope you are clear with this. So now let us move to second question. Okay, we have to question number 2, subdivision 2. So let us try question number 2 here. We have to find L, A, N, D and S, N. So anything is missing from these terms, we need to find out. Some value has been given, means A has been given, then what? L has been given, then N also it has been given. So we need to find D and Sn. Clear? So let us try to find D and Sn. So first formula we already know. Sn formula is what? Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus L. So N will be how much? N fourth here we have the 51. We write 51 by 2. Then what? A. A how much we are having? Minus 3030 plus L how much we have? L we have minus 1530, then close the bracket. So we will have 51 by 2 here minus 3030 plus into minus 1530. See how much we are getting. 51 by 2 will be 51 by 2 minus, both are minus, we will write minus here. Minus 8 is 0 plus 0 will be 0. Then what? 3 plus 3 will be 6. Then 5 plus 0 will be 5. Then it will be what? 3 plus 1 will be 4. Okay, I hope addition is correct. 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 3 6, 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4. Correct, right? And cancel with the 4 2. 2 2s are 4, then 2 2s are 4, then 1 6 8, it will be 0, right? We are getting here 51 into minus 2280, minus 2280. For this question we got 50 minus 2280. Now 51 we have to multiply with 51. So when you will multiply, you will get in minus, and what you will get here, we will be getting 116280. Okay, minus 116280. After multiplication you will get this value. Next will be what? You will be using second. So Sn we have obtained, means this one is done. Now our A need to find the common difference. So means second formula here I have already written from the beginning. So we have to use this formula. Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to N by 2, then bracket 2A plus N minus 1, then what? D. Put the value Sn, we got this value, we will put this one. Minus yes, something wrong with the marker, so we'll see here, minus it will be minus, then 1 1 1 1, we have 6280. Then n by 2, n we have 51, we will write 51 by 2. Then 2a will be 2a, so 2 into a will be 2 into 3 minus, right? We'll write minus 3030. Then what? Plus a minus 1 will be same thing. D, how much? D, we have here D, yes. D is there, we need to find out D. So we will put here D itself and close the bracket. Next, what you will do? You will write minus 116280. Then 2 is into dividing here. If you will bring other side, it will multiply. Then 51 will be dividing. Equal. Then multiply 2 with this one, you will get minus 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6. So we got this plus into minus minus 60 60. Now plus we will be obtaining here n minus 1. So it's n minus 1. 51 we can write at place of 1, n we have 51. So 51 1 minus 1 will be what? 50 d. Next step. If you will multiply here with 2, you will get what? Multiply minus 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 6s are 2 8, 2 1s are 2 1 3, 2 1s are 2. Let us see again. 2 0s are 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 6s are 2 8, 2 1s are 2 1 3, 2 1s are 2, and minus sign we have to put the minus divided by 51. Then minus 6060, so it will be here what? Plus 6060 equal 50 d. Our aim is to find out d. Now how we will get this one? So let us divide with 51. How much we are getting, we will see here. So we will try to divide with 51. So divide with 51. 51 we have 2 3, then what? 2560 divide with 51. How much we will get? So it will go first 4 times, right? 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. We got this. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So 12 minus 4 we have here 8. Then we will having what? We will be having first 8. Next we will have here 2 minus 0 will be 2 and cancel, right? So we got 2 8. Next this 5 will be coming here. So again it will go 5 times. It will be 5 1 2 1 will be 5, 5 5 ja 25. So 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 5 3, cancel. We got 3 0. Then 6 will be coming here, right? So again with 6, right? 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Then we got what? 0 here with the 0. So 0 times, right? So 0, you got what? 0, right? So 4, we are getting 4, next 5, then we have done with 6 times, then we 0 times, right? So 4 5 6 0, right? Here minus will be minus 4 5 6 0, plus will be plus 6 0 6 0 equal to 50 d. Then what? Here subtract 0 minus 0 will be 0, 6 minus 6 will be 0, then 0, so 10 minus 5 will be 5. Yes or no? 10 minus 5 will be what? Here we will be getting 10 minus 5 will be getting. So 1, again we will see 6 0 6 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then 6 minus 6 will be 0. Then what? Next 10 minus 5 will be 5. Then we have 5 here. 5 minus 4. How much? 5 minus 4 will be here, it will be 1. So we are getting this value 1500 or D. Next one 50 we will bring this side. So 50 into here it will divide. So 50. So cancel 0. Then 5 3s are 15. We got 3 0. So D we got 3 0 or D we can write what? 30. So we got our D. I hope you are clear with this. We got D equal to 30 for this question. Okay. So